Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will continue with question number 10. Today we are having 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H sit at a square table. 4 of them sit at corners and face inside. Remaining 4 sits at middle of the side and face outside. So in this question we can see there is a twist. 4 of them who sit in the corner face inside and remaining 4 sit at the middle face outside. We will make a square. We will make 4 diagrams today. Four of them sit at the corner and face inside, and 4 sit at the middle and face outside. Now the question says A sits second to the right of B. Who is an immediate neighbor of C? A sits second to right of B. In one diagram we will put B over here, one in the side, again one in the middle and one in the side, this side we can say. A sits second to right of B, this side left, this side right. Right of B, here B faces inside. A, who is an immediate neighbor of C. A sits second to right of B. B, who is an immediate neighbor of C. B is immediate neighbor of C. In one diagram we can put C over here, and one over here we can put this side. In this diagram we have already put C over here, so we will put C over here, and this we have put this side, so we can put this side C. D sits to the immediate left of E, who faces F. Now the question says E faces F. We have to see which corner are facing each other, this corner. Now the question says E. D sits to the immediate left of E. We can put F over here and E over here. D sits immediate left of E. Left of E over here is this one. D will come over here. In this question we have to put E and F. E who faces F. Here no one faces each other. Here we cannot put, like E and F cannot come here. Here also it cannot come. This diagram is wrong. In this question we can put E and F over here. F can come here. E can come here. D sits to the immediate left of E. D sits immediate left of E. Here left hand side of E is this. So D will come over here. In this diagram again, B faces someone, A faces someone. No one faces E and F. So this is also wrong. In these two diagrams we have to see who is correct. Now the question says H is an immediate neighbor of D. Now H is the immediate neighbor of D. Here D is sitting here and E is sitting here and C is sitting here. So no place is for H. So this is also wrong. Now we will check this. H is immediate neighbor of D. H can come here. 2 persons sit between C and G. 1, 2. 1 person can sit here. G. 2 persons sit between C and G. C and G. So this diagram is correct. So this is the answer for question number 10. Now we will continue some questions tomorrow in part 2.